Hi guys. All right, let's make this video today. Let you guys know, see what I see down the price action. So today it's been a slow week, slower than I thought it would be given the announcements. But again, as we start with the 12-hour, we are still on a downward trend. Nothing's changed from that, so everything is more on a downward bias. So if you look at it, we've been within this. First, we were within this little channel here, and then we broke through this channel, and now it's either we're going to be bouncing around this channel, or at some point we will look to see where we break out. So let's look to see where we break out of this channel. For right now, for where we are in a wait and see mode. I think with the contest that's going on, or the giveaway that's going on about naming the exchange, I would have anticipated a little bit more volume coming in, but then again, the whole purpose of the exchange is to get the volume in. So, but most of the buying that's happening would be existing folks that are purchasing, but I would have thought I would have seen more people come into this. And so let's continue to watch that and see what happens here. But we are in our buy zone. So, but right now for us, we already purchased our one BNB for the week. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. So let's wait for some significant changes. We purchased the one BNB and then we had some, I think it was like less than half of a BNB from all the BNB rewards that we collected that we never did anything. We put a little bit more in, but that's about it. No significant investments beyond the one BNB that we put in. And as you see, we had this massive pullback, pop right back up in the 4 hours, hit the SMA line. Hold on, let me put the other one in. It hit the SMA line, and we retracted back. Yep, pulled back, went below the second SMA denied period, and then we played around with the SMA, but nothing after we got above it that bounced off. This shows that we had buyers coming in, so we continued to sell off. It continued to sell off, and if you look, we are hugging the SMA all the way down. So what we want to see is, especially on the 4 hours, we want to see a push above, and then to start to change the trajectory of this SMA, because right now the moving average is down, more selling pressure. So if you can see it here, it's really a lot of selling pressure. If we want to see it, we want to see a flag like this. Then we want to see a close above and then to take off. So right now we're creating that flag. We want to see a rise above, close, and then go up. So right now we are not seeing what we want. Every time we break some level of support or resistance, we end up going lower. We broke that. We broke this. It's a stair stepping down. And I told you guys before, I really don't like that. We finally tried to break this top, right, this resistance right here, and failed. And now we're here playing with this recent low. To see what happens. So this is what I'll be watching out for. If we can't bounce off this area right here and we go lower, then we'll look for this area. But right now, let's see what happens with this. So what I want to see right now, this is very, weak buying, more selling pressure than anything. Whatever little bit of buying we saw coming in wasn't enough to sustain this to go over. So right now we need to see volume, and we need to see buying volume come in to really take this off. Once we take it off and we change the trend, then we look for a pullback, and that will be our last chance to be able to get in. But until we break through this, I'd want to see us break through it, pull back to our buy zone, and then we take off. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that to happen. I want to break this, pull back, and then look to get in. But right now we need that break. We need that momentum to go up. All right, so not much there, and then even on the 1 hour, we could look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour showed a little bit of an opportunity, but as you can see, it's really, again, we're stuck in this channel down. So either we're going to start to go down and bounce another time off the support, or we're going to try to make a run to break out of this channel. But right now we are hugging this channel down. So let's keep an eye on this and see what happens. Yeah, right now not enough buying to really move the trajectory of this. So all right, we will continue to watch and wait as we see which exchange Hodl token is going to be listed on. Yeah, um, the expectation is that once we get into the exchange, we'll see volume starts to come in and pick up, and then we'll be off to the races. So until then, we'll continue to monitor. And since there is really nothing going on this morning, I will keep on watching the charts throughout the day. And if I see anything that I need to bring to you guys, I will do that. But for right now, we are holding still and then we are watching to see what happens. All right. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you next time.